Making Tax Digital is the new system for sole traders and landlords to report their income and expenses to HMRC. Based on your income in 2024-25, you are required to comply with Making Tax Digital for income tax. This new system takes effect from April 2026. There are 4 key requirements under the new Making Tax Digital rules that will change how you manage your taxes. You will be required to register for this new system with HMRC. You must now keep your accounting records digitally and use HMRC-compatible software to facilitate submissions to HMRC. The final new requirement is to submit quarterly updates as well as the usual year-end tax return. This guide explains how to meet all 4 new requirements and outlines what your new bookkeeping routine will look like. Our recommended approach ensures full MTD compliance and is designed to become a seamless part of your routine. We are recommending free agent accounting software, which will be linked to a business bank account. In this guide, we will look at each of the new requirements and explain how to comply with all 4 in the most efficient and hassle-free way. We have an additional recommendation, which is to use a business bank account. This is designed to simplify your bookkeeping further. We will outline our role and guide you through your next steps to make your transition into MTD as easy as possible. You will find this guide as well as other helpful resources in your email. Let's go back to the new requirements. You do not need to do anything regarding the first requirement. We will register you for Making Tax Digital with HMRC. Your self-employed and property income and expenses must be kept digitally. Paper records are no longer compliant. A digital record is a record of your income or expense that is created and stored using software that works with Making Tax Digital. A central requirement of the new system is the use of HMRC-compatible software to facilitate submissions to HMRC. You can also use this software to digitalize your records. We have researched the software options and recommend Free Agent. Let's look at what Free Agent does and how you will adjust your bookkeeping routine. You can digitalize your accounting records quickly and easily with Free Agent. It keeps your records in a way that complies with MTD rules. The software facilitates the submission of your quarterly updates to HMRC and provides us with the data to prepare these, as well as your final year-end tax return. There are 3 ways you will use Free Agent to store and organize your records. You will connect your bank account to the software, manually upload any additional expenses, and categorize your records. Free Agent will connect directly to your bank account, so every transaction will flow into the software automatically. You can attach images or files to the matching transactions, such as pay schedules and receipts. Personal transactions can be marked as such, to ensure your business records remain accurate. You can add any additional expenses or mileage claims manually. Record an expense within the Free Agent app with just a few clicks, categorize it and attach a supporting image of the receipt. For any business miles, just enter how many miles and a brief description of the journey. Free Agent will calculate the expense using the HMRC approved mileage rates. Finally, it is important to organize your records. You can do this by assigning a category to your bank transactions and manual expenses. Here are some examples. The Free Agent app makes this quick and easy. Categorizing your records allows us to secure the accuracy of your tax return whilst ensuring you never pay more tax than is legally required. We have created a short video which demonstrates how to use the Free Agent app. Once we have set you up on the software, we will send you this guide to get you started. Our additional recommendation is the key to making tax digital effortless. We highly recommend using a business bank account. An account for your business income and expenses only. If you use one bank account for everything, you will have a large volume of transactions to categorize every month, making your admin very time-consuming. Using a separate bank account for your self-employed income and expenses will make it much easier, as you'll have less transactions to keep track of. We recommend using separate bank accounts for your self-employed income and expenses, your property transactions, and a further account for personal banking. You can use any bank. However, Free Agent is completely free if you have a business account with any one of the banks within the NatWest Group. Of these 3 banks, we recommend Metal by NatWest. Metal is a bank account built for the self-employed. Customers enjoy a free subscription to Free Agent accounting software. There are no banking fees, unlike other business banks. And you can automatically save money for tax each month, as you can tell Metal to automatically transfer a percentage of what you get paid into a savings pot. Be aware, Metal currently has a daily transfer and card payment limit of £10,000, so you may have to transfer big payments over a few days. It takes just minutes to apply from the Metal app. To follow is the pricing breakdown for Free Agent subscriptions. Prices are per month. Quarterly updates are snapshots of your business throughout the year. There are 4 submissions to be made to HMRC, as well as the final year-end declaration. Submissions to HMRC must be made on time to avoid a penalty. Here are the quarterly submission deadlines for the 2026-27 tax year. The updates need to be submitted within a month and 7 days of each quarter end. The final tax return is due on the 31st of January 2028. This has not changed. McIvers will be on hand to support you. We will remind you each month to approve and categorize your transactions in Free Agent, and to add any further expenses. We will submit your quarterly updates to HMRC. We will prepare your accounts and complete your year-end tax return. To get started, here are your next steps. Choose which bank account you are going to use and start running your business income and expenses through this account. Send us the bank account details for the account you are going to use. We can then set Free Agent up for you and send you instructions on how to authorize the link between your bank and Free Agent. Watch our demo video on how to use Free Agent. If you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to contact us.